Hi everyone, this is Pramita here, and I'm here to do a journal kit share that I have just launched in my shop. This is actually meant for a TN sized journal, but you can make it work in your bigger size journal also. So this is called Butterfly Blossoms. Now the papers are not in any particular order. I just printed them out and want to show them. So you get, actually it comes in two parts. One is the main pages kit and the other is the add-on kit. So the main pages kit has 8 pages. 5 of them are main, the images, and 3 of them are kind of a lighter version of these pages. 3 of them, not all. So this is the first page, and I liked how they turned out. So this is the first page. Let me move this aside. Okay, so this is the second page. I hope you can see it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Love the butterflies, how it is very florally as well as butterflies, and I loved how these these watercolor effects came out throughout the kit pages. So this is the third page, and if you want, you can fussy cut these butterflies out. You can use them in your journal pages as collage elements. This is the fourth page. Again, lots of florals, and that is why I have called it Butterfly Blossoms, because there are florals as well as butterflies, and the butterflies are of different colors, as you will see, different types. This is the fifth page. So again, if you're making a TN size journal or a smaller journal, then you can definitely just fold this and then you can trim this off. Or you can make smaller journals using half the page, so you can use it like this, and then you'll have this also. So I'm going to show you how to make a mini journal out of these pages, because I have placed the butterflies in such a way that you don't need to reduce the size of the pages, nothing. You just fold the pages and you get 2 smaller sized pages for your smaller journals. So this is a washed out version of the page that I had shown first. So this one. So this is just a washed out version of that. So you can journal over here also, and you can also make envelopes, pockets using these, and use them also in your collages. Or you can make journal cards and then embellish them because you already have the background done. This is another washed out version that I have created. I'll just show you the page that I have based that on. So this is actually the page, and then this is the washed out version, and then this is another washed out version that I have done. This is using just a second, this page. So this is the actual page and this is the washed out version. So you can journal, use them as your backing paper, or you can print them on the back of the pages. I've not done that. So these are the 8 sheets they come, and my birthday sale is still on till 28th, and then from 29th there's going to be a special offer also, very similar to the one that's going on, but not as attractive perhaps. But that's it. Okay, so then we come to the add-on kit. So the add-on kit, let me show you. So the add-on kit comes with 2 large tags, 2 small tags on the same page. Yeah, it's 2 large tags, 2 small tags, 4 journal cards in one page. Let me show you. So 4 journal cards, and then you have a small envelope with the journal card to go in, and these 2 cards, they are supposed to go into 2 envelopes that I have put together. So this is an envelope which this card will go in or you can make your own card for that matter. And there is another envelope, this one, where you can use this card. Now this is a little bit taller. I made it purposely so that it peeks through a little bit, and you can keep it as a floating pocket also. You can just paper clip this. This is like a coin envelope, and you can put something over here, just put in a label, and I think they have come out pretty nice. So that's that. And here is a tiny envelope. You can put in this journal card over here. So there are 3 types of envelopes, no repetitions. Okay, so here we have our pockets. So there are 2 pockets, and these 2 are corresponding journal cards that go inside those pockets. You can use your different kind of journal cards also, it doesn't matter, but I have made this in such a way. This is another pocket set, so you get 2 pockets on that page and 2 pockets on this page. These 2 fit into these pockets. So that's done. And not this one. This one is an extra print that I have done. And you also get a bonus sheet. This comes with the ephemera pack. You get a bonus sheet of this collage page. So you can cut it up into tags, you can make pockets, envelopes, whatever suits you. So again, this too comes with 8 pages. So there are 8 pages in the main kit and 8 pages in the ephemera kit or the add-on kit. So you have 8 pages for this and 8 pages for this. So I'll be doing some sort of project, as I said, a kind of a mini journal sort of thing using these papers. So keep watching. Maybe we can do mini folio sort of thing also. I have some things in mind. I'll probably do that series. So keep watching, and if you're interested, I'll put all the links in the description box below. You can check my shop out and see if you like anything. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye. Have a great day.